that way.
3, 2, 1.
Go, 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 go.
Hit! We passed each other, I think. We passed each other.
Yeah, we did. Stop.
You came in the middle, I went down that way. Living on a prayer. Hit! My mags work. I fixed them. So my mags aren't broken. My D-Boys receiver, when it cracked, it split farther apart and it caused the mags to fuck up.
That sucks. But it's fixed, bro.
Yeah. Just needed some good old tape. You can peek out, I'm gonna sprint across. On your left, watch your left.
Clear on the left.
Am I good? I'm going.
Hit.
Hit! Hello there. Matt, my mags work again. Are they on the left? Fuck. I'm in the spawn, I need to put it down. I dropped something. Yeah, what I dropped?
Where is it?
I think it's, I don't know. I dropped something, I need to find it. I don't know what I dropped, I'm scared. Where's the ref? I don't know where I put this. Ref! Where does this go? Hey, so I need to get up there on the left, right? Oh shit!
Oh shit, hit! Oh.
I need to get up there on the left. Can you hold me off? Alright?
Where you gonna put that?
Right here somewhere, I don't know. Where's our flag?
I don't know where our flag is.
I don't know where it is either, fuck!
There's a flag right there, yellow flag right there.
Wait, where? Yeah, Alex, where's our flag?
I have no idea.
Fuck! Help me out here!
There's a hole right below it.
Where's the fucking flag? Oh, it's right in front of me. Awesome.
Hole right below it.
Perfect.
Cover up.
Got him! Let's go!
You're hit, right?
You're hit too, right? We looked at each other.
You hit him. He was in front of me. You hit him.
I hit both of you, but I'll call it out. I shot about 7 rounds, bud. Guys, we just need to defend the flag! Oh shit, what did I drop? Matt, am I missing anything?
I don't think so. Why?
Oh, when I sprinted back at the flag, I heard something drop.
What mag do you use? Did you use a mag here?
Oh yeah, I did. So one of those fell out.
Well, it's
Yeah, so it's only here. I'll go find it. It's over here somewhere. I heard it drop. Where'd my mag go? I dropped it when I ran with the flag. All right. Yeah, I'm missing a mag. Don't know where it fell out. I'm trying to look for that and knock a shot. Hit! I'm dead. Gotta find a fucking mag that I dropped. Ah, I found it! Someone kicked it. It definitely wasn't in here. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. That's perfect. Oh, watch out. The best part was I found their flag by accident. I sprinted to the spawn and I ran into it. Come on. He's a vent better. Coming up. Defend this flag, guys. That's all we gotta do. All we gotta do is defend this. Yeah, we gotta go. 10 more seconds and we win. Defend that!
7,
That's how we win.
5, 4, 3, 2. Game over. Magazine's out. Barrel bags on.
It didn't work.
It didn't work.
Wrong
I know,
gun.
all I heard was this. You were going like this, all I heard was...
Shot the first one, then I need a DSG back.